A new warning tonight about young children and flu shots. The FDA is saying now that it wants manufacturers to add the risk for seizures to that label. So as you can see, joining us right now is Dr. Todd Ellerin from South Shore Health. It's always great to see you, Doctor. So the first question is that the agency cites two studies, right? And you've read them both. So what do you say about that? Reading your information, what do you know?
Listen, two studies that show that there's a very, very small increased risk of these febrile seizures. It means a fever seizure. It means you give the vaccine and within 24 hours there's a small increased risk that the baby has a seizure. And what is that risk? It's an additional 44 cases per million. That math comes out to an additional 1 case for every 25,000 kids vaccinated. Usually it's between 6 months and 4 years of age.
Just in its own world, how serious are febrile seizures?
Not serious.
Not serious.
And that is the key message. This is benign. It's scary for a parent to see, but basically these convulsions can last for about a minute. The parents often will take the baby to the pediatric emergency department. The emergency department generally will analyze the baby, see that it's febrile seizure, give Tylenol, and then essentially send the baby home, reassure the parents the babies aren't even admitted. And by the way, it can happen with other vaccines as well. So, and I think that's an important message.
And a febrile seizure is essentially a fever? Is that what you...
It's a fever. Usually the fever has to be 102 or higher.
So in your opinion, do the benefits of actually getting the actual flu shot still outweigh the risks? Let's put it that way.
Yes, I believe the benefits outweigh the risk. Why? Because febrile seizures don't only happen after vaccinations. In fact, they happen more likely after infections. So you can get influenza, have a high fever, and get one of those fever seizures. So, and we know already in Massachusetts this year, there have been 5 pediatric deaths. And the greatest risk of death from a child is that 6 months to 2 years of age. Those are the same babies that do have the higher risk of this. I think it's, FDA is doing their due diligence, putting a warning on it. I think that's reasonable, but the risk is still very rare of these benign fever seizures.
Dr. Ellerin, it's great to see you. Thanks for sharing your knowledge with us.
You got it.